This is giving me rich kids of Beverly Hills. The only problem is that I'm based in Nigeria. Am I Catwoman? Where am I going to with this outfit?
I'm going to be showing you guys how to go from a messy wardrobe to a clean, minimalist wardrobe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dodos. If this is your first time here, welcome, and please do not leave without hitting the subscribe button down below, and please click the notification bell so that every time I post a video you'll be updated. So today I'm going to be decluttering my wardrobe. Yay! I mean, I always declutter my wardrobe like here and there, but I've never really filmed it for you guys. So I really want to take you guys through like my thought process, how I decide what item to keep or to toss. This year, part of the things that I really want to do is to fully embrace the minimalist approach to life, appreciating more things and consuming less, especially like with this like influencer content creation culture where it's like I'm constantly being sent loads of items, and sometimes I still have like that free mentality, like, oh my god, this is free, I didn't pay for it, and just focus on, is this thing important for me right now? So today I'm going to be decluttering my wardrobe. Anything that I haven't used in a while is gonna be what? Tossed. So in the past I'll typically do something like going through my clothes like this, and if I find something that I don't really wear anymore, I'll take it out. But I realized that that method hasn't worked really effectively because my brain will just tell me, oh, it still looks nice, leave it in there. So what we're gonna do is bring out everything and then start from very scratch. And I'm saying this knowing that this might take me 2 days. We move, okay? PSA, this video is gonna at some point look like I'm just complaining about my clothes. It might sound superficial, it might sound crazy, but listen, let's focus on the point, which is I need to get rid of this stuff.
So guys, this is my current wardrobe. You can see it's a mess. Although I try to fold my outfits and color coordinate my outfits, but it's such a hassle getting through my clothes and just finding what to wear in the morning. It gives me so much anxiety, and I thought, you know what, once I finally declutter and get rid of the items that I do not wear anymore, that I'm still holding on to, then it will make enjoying fashion easier for me, and it will make me a better consumer overall. And what I'm just doing is emptying my wardrobe, my current wardrobe. If I had to do this over again, I would say start in steps, so you can bring out your skirts first, your tops, and then maybe your dresses. And now I'm going to be using a step ladder because I'm going all the way up.
So this is just me pretending to work. I'm actually exhausted.
As you guys can see, I have laid everything on the bed. These are all my outfits, and then I will start to sort through the clothes, the ones that are in good condition, the ones that need to be altered, the ones that don't fit, that need to go, and just get through this pile of clothes.
So after that exercise, I need some water. Okay guys, so I have everything, all my clothes here. All my clothes are pretty like color coordinated. I have basically neutrals, blacks, whites, grays, anything that's in that family. So it should be easier for me. If you're someone that your clothes are not like color coordinated, when fitting into your wardrobe, you probably need to color coordinate to make it easier for you to see. Okay, I'm going to be asking myself this question. Do I like it? Would I pick it up right now if it was on the rack? Have I worn this in the last 6 months? I'm finding it so difficult to let go of clothes, which I'm sure a couple of you guys are. I'm just gonna try on this outfit, show you guys, and we'll decide together because I'm already freaking out. Okay, it's a bit awkward here, like here just feels really weird. This is a hard one and it's new. Kind of finding it hard to breathe here. It's kind of shocking me up. If I saw this on a hanger right now, would I buy it in a store? No, that's the answer. My problem with this dress is that the buttons, it is like so uncomfortable to button this. Pull it, it's very, very tiny, and it's like all the way down. It takes too much of my mental space to start doing this every time I want to go out. It takes too long. You know, that dress where like, oh, I'll go on this perfect summer vacation in Italy in this, and I'll wear it, and I'll do that, and I'll do that. I wore this dress once and that was the end. And now my color palette has changed. I don't wear bright colors like this anymore. And then prints, I don't wear like floral prints like that anymore. Shirt dress situation. Ass pocket looks perfect. It's my aesthetic. Everything works. Only thing is that the fabric, the stitching in here just itches my body all over. I'm not even trying to sound a certain way. I'm so grateful. If you are a brand and you see any of your pieces here that I'm giving out, I'm so grateful that you guys send me stuff, and I will forever be grateful. Honestly, it's amazing. But then this is just me being honest. There are just some things that I just can't keep anymore. Like, oh my god, United Colors of Bennington. Okay guys, this jacket has history. You know, this is giving me rich kids of Beverly Hills. The only problem is that I'm based in Nigeria. This falls into the category of sentimental. The last time I wore this, I was in Tokyo, 2008. If I ever traveled to Aspen, don't ask me why. Can you see this? I think my friend gave it to me, so it was like an expensive gift. So I was like, yeah, I will take it in and it'll be my size finally one day. And the day is today because sis has gained weight. Would I wear this? I would, but I don't know when. Am I Catwoman? Where am I going to with this outfit? First of all, it's hot in Lagos. It even has this thing on it, lucky label. This is like the constant struggle between things trendy, everybody's wearing it, it's kind of cool. This other side of me, minimalism, that's like, yo, this is not your vibe. This is the category of a trendy item that I never should have bought. Never should I even let it come into my house. As you can see, I'm already on the floor. My hair is wrapped up. I just thought it would be easier to do this from right here.
So guys, I'm still sorting out my clothes, and I found a perfect example of an item that shouldn't be in my wardrobe, which is this shorts that I've had for so long. You can see that it's already in a damaged condition, so I'm going to toss that away.
Okay guys, in this pile I have amazing pieces, from swimwear to active wear, that's sportswear, to going out clothes, staying at home clothes. Everything is in here, so I'm just going to move everything into the box or the suitcase there, so I know that these are the items that I'm trying to sell or, you know, give or donate to people.
So guys, I literally could not finish this in one day. I had to come back another day as I expected to continue my decluttering. And today I have laid out all my hangers. I got these wooden hangers from the market, and it's important that if you want a minimalist, cohesive wardrobe, it's important to invest in same colored hangers just for consistency and for it to look very clean. I am putting in my clothes in the hangers and then putting it on the railing. Now what I do is I color coordinate my clothes, like you guys know. So I'm starting from the whites and then I'm moving into the browns, and I like to do it from maybe the darkest shade to the lightest shade. Sometimes I also do from long sleeve to short sleeve. It really depends on my mood, and as you can see, I'm making sure that I leave enough space between the clothes. Now it's important that you're not over cluttering your wardrobe, because that's the point of a minimalist wardrobe, to have less and consume less items or less clothes. So as you can see, I'm keeping it very clean, very simple. Now I'm going into my bottoms, folding my trousers and my loungewear at the bottom part of my, what I say, shelf, and is an open shelf situation. And I'm making sure that I can see every single item in here, because in the past I've struggled with having too many clothes, and there's just something with having too many clothes and not being able to find what to wear. Now I can look at a glance and just see what I want to wear and pick it up. Now we're moving into shoes. I just dumped all my shoes here in this pile. They look messy. Some I haven't worn, some I bought and I never wore. So I'm going to select the ones that I want to keep for sure and the ones that I'm going to donate or sell. These ones are pretty bad, so these ones need to go. These ones I kind of still like them, so I would clean them up to see if I would possibly still wear them in the nearest future. I'm just cleaning and dusting off my shoes, making sure that it's tidy, it's clean, and now you can see how beautiful they look, not as dusty as it was before. And now I would start to arrange them. I like to put the heels at the back, and then I'll put my whether I say my flats or my trainers in front. Again, this is a minimalist wardrobe. You don't have to let go of everything that you have. Now I'm moving on to my handbags. I'm just rearranging my handbags, cleaning them, making sure they look nice. And this is where the step ladder comes in handy. I've also put in my swimwear and my bikinis in the basket there, just so that it looks tidy and I know that it's in one spot. Now I'm also putting my hat on the topmost shelf, well arranged, well spaced. And finally, and now in this basket I have my underwear. I'm kind of shy to show you guys this part. I have my underwear in that basket, and this is just like a regular hamper basket. And in this box or luggage I have my sleepwear. And you guys can see this is my wardrobe in full flesh. It's perfect, it's beautiful. Every time I wake up, I look at it and I'm like, wow, I did it. I'm so excited. I hope that this is the beginning of an amazing journey for me to fully embrace the minimalist approach to life. Again, this is something that is ongoing. I'm still learning, and I hope that you guys can come on this journey with me. If you're someone that you want to declutter, then this would be an amazing video for you. After I've decluttered my wardrobe and I have more of like a simple basic wardrobe, I just feel lighter. I'm not having anxiety about dressing up in the morning, and it's still so much fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please thumbs up, share with your friends, and I hope to see you guys soon. Let me know if you guys enjoy content like this, and I'll be sure to provide more of it. I love you guys. Bye.